The internet disruptions currently experienced in Nigeria, Ghana and some other African countries due to repairs of the undersea cable cut may last up to 2 weeks. That's according to Submarine cable company Mainone. The company says the cause of the network outage was as a result of a fault on the Mainone network. The company says it will first identify and assign a vessel to retrieve the necessary spares required for repair and then sail to the fault location to conduct the repair work. The affected section of the submarine cable will have to be pulled from the seabed onto the ship, where it will be spliced by skilled technicians. Since Thursday, telecommunications subscribers and bank users have experienced epileptic internet services, which affected digital transactions and internet communications. The Nigerian Communications Commission also confirmed that operators of the cables have commenced repairs already and services are gradually being restored.